Former general manager of the Ogun State Printing Corps and a veteran journalist, Mrs. Oyinkansola Cole, appeared before the state lawmakers for her screening as member of the State Judicial Service Commission. Right Honorable Olakunle Oluomo acknowledged that the nominee was a thoroughbred professional whose wealth of experience would be a plus to the commission if confirmed and eventually appointed by the governor.
She had been there before when she wanted to serve somewhere, and we were screened at that time. And if that person has no flaw in any way, so now the leader of the state, whoever performed very well in the last position, you just take it that, oh, these are persons, especially if that person is of our party combination, we should have many of our elderly women in this type of position that can contribute their knowledge, experience into development of our state.
The nominee, while responding to questions from the lawmakers, assured that her experience in the public and private sectors had equipped her to face challenges with renewed vigor and determination to succeed. She added that having held political positions with track record of achievements in the past, she would surely bring her experience to bear on the new assignment if confirmed.
I've been in politics for quite a while. I have passion for, serving. It is not about what you can get from it. For me, I think I've gone through and I'm happy with what God has done for me. But I believe that I can bring my experience as an administrator on the table.
Born on February 23, 1956, Mrs. Cole is a graduate of mass communication from the University of Lagos, a broadcast journalist and public relations practitioner, and hails from Odogbolu local government area of the state.